So that's the press machine for the baffles and caps. To switch it on, lift the switch, open there, and open the second pipe there. Check for the oil. Making caps, make sure it's 3 bars. So when our machine is on, you have to reset it by pressing the reset button on the controller. Then you release the emergency stop. You reset the controller. Reset the machine and the faults. And press green start button. The light's coming on. Machine is starting up. So when our machine is on, you need to warm it up by using the pedal on the floor. Then you need to check the height. The height is 24.5 centimeters. We'll be making 8x5, which is 273 millimeters, so we're gonna have to change the height on the machine. Get the bar, put it in the hole, and turn it. As you can see, it's 27.5. Take it out and close the guard. Now we have to go and get the tool for the machine. All tools are located in behind the machine. All the tools has engraved written what they are for and what size they are. So now we have to place the tool inside the machine. When our tool is there, you need to make sure it's in the correct position. Make sure to put it in and to secure it. Tighten up the bolts. Close the guard. Now move your switch from tin to inch and from foot to push, and use the inch button to lower the press. So tighten up the bolts now. And make sure you tighten up bolts from the sides to keep the tool in correct position. As you can see, we have all bolts tightened up and the tool is in the correct position and it's not moving anywhere. Close the guard. So now we have the tool in and everything is prepared. So manually lift the tool up, press the edge button, switch it to send and put. Use the pedal to operate the machine. Open up the guard and double check the height. A little bit lower in a bit. Check the height again. Perfect. Whenever you set the height, make sure you tighten the bolt over there. So now switch the machine off, press the emergency button and look for the coils. All coils are located here. As you see, we got the coil that we needed and we will place it on this stand over here. So we have placed the coil on the stand and you have to widen those legs up. Tighten up to make sure coil isn't moving and it's not gonna fall off. As you see, everything is tight. So release the coil and feed it through the wheel rollers here, all the way through. Tighten up. And tighten up using the handle on top. Switch it forward and move the coil up. So lift up your coil and feed it through the rollers in here. Feed it through by pressing the button on the controller and tighten them bolts. So we'll set the V feeder on automatic, press on, start feeding the coil. So now you're starting it up, release your emergency stop and press start. Reset the pulse, press the start button and reset the pulse on the controller. Open the guard and feed the coil through. So close the guard. We are ready to go. Open up the guard. will be setting the length of the cap and the speed of the machine. So simply press the top left button and enter. The length 354. And press enter. Your speed. Press enter. Press green button to start. As you see, we have everything set up. We have skip or stillage for the cap and scrap skip for your waste. So to use it on manual, you have to press the pedal, and every time you press the brake button it will drop. To use it on automatic, press the V square and the green button. The machine keeps moving itself. You operate it by using the pedal. And for complete automatic, the machine will work by itself. You move your switch to on, fade, press green start button. And to switch off the press, simply press emergency stop, go around the side, turn the feeder off, switch up there and switch it off.